Okay, I'm back again with another interesting shop with me video. Today I'm at Burlington. Let's quickly see what they have here. Here you will see jackets. Yeah, different types blazers. Let's quickly see. I'm looking at this plaid two buttons blazer with two different pockets. And yeah, this was $98 in size 10 for $29.99. The quality is cool, not bad. Okay, they have it in different sizes. This is new in the store. Okay, and the hair is this open blazer, no buttons. Okay, yeah. Okay, the inside is well lined with a slit at the back, which is necessary for me. Okay, if I don't see that, I'm not paying for it. This one is $59, $59.99, not bad. It's available in different sizes, new in the store. Okay, here we are looking at these clean white long sleeves button down shirt. Look at that, for $13.99 in different sizes, large, extra large, same price. Okay, look at this one. Oh, cool studs on them. Okay, by the same brand. Yeah, $13.99, same price. And here we have this washed cropped denim jacket in size extra large for $22.99. Okay, perfect for winter. It feels heavy. Okay, and behind we have this leopard print blazer. Okay, 3/4 sleeves for $19.99. Not bad. This is good. Okay, this feels good. It feels heavy with two side pockets. Perfect for winter for $36.99 in size extra large. Alright, here is another blazer. It's not lined, but it feels heavy for $19.99. Another one in white. This is by Levi's. The quality is given for $29.99 in size extra large. Here is another one, leather crop jacket, and this is well, look at that, good for inside, perfect for next season. And this is in size extra large for $29.99 with hoodie. We are all about leather now, so this is not bad. Gray plain sweater for $7.99. Alright, here is this green double-breasted blazer for $12.99. The quality is not good, okay? And this one is giving everything. It feels heavy for $19.99, extra large, with pockets on the sleeves. Okay. Here we go, Columbia. I'm looking for a shirt like this. I can pair with white leg pants. This is $29.99 in size extra large. If I see this in my size, I wouldn't mind. If I see it's something like this, I'll get it. You know, I love it. Okay. This feels. Oh my God. I love it with a hoodie. Store price is $16.99. Another one. These are good pieces for the winter for $22.99 in large color. Okay, look at this. Mhm. Yeah, yeah, military look. If you want to create that military look, this is good. I love this, but a lot is happening here for me. Yeah, with good button closure. All the buttons are functional. You can, use belt on this one. Yeah, for $17.99 on that. In size extra large. I love this color. The fabric is good in size large. Mm. This is on sale for $8.39. All right. Yeah, okay. Moro. This is biker jacket. For $39.99. The color is good. I got something like this the last time I was at TJ Maxx. I got burgundy color. This is cool, but I guess for $39.99, extra large, can never go wrong. That's a good deal. Here we have this. The quality is not good. Look at that. Threads hanging everywhere. Okay, with a hoodie, $16.99, not good. And here is cropped leather jacket, deep brown. This color is given this season. For $34.99, you can never go wrong. Extra large, okay? Here is suede one button blazer with two different pockets for $19.99. Another turtleneck sweater, interesting color for $14.99. Okay, let's go further and see. Oh my God, oh my God, the quality unbeatable for $32.99 extra large. Oh, it's good. And here is another winter piece for $21.99. Yeah, interesting. Ooh, look at this. I'm loving the button closure on this one for $26.99. Affordable. Burlington, they are very good. Okay. All right, behind, let's see what we can grab here. This is army green suede coat for $29.99. Not bad. And this is good plaid for $16.99. And crop sweater. You can never go wrong with this one during winter season. Okay. And this is store price is not on this. Okay. The quality is everything for $19.99. Here we go. Shining leather crop jacket. This is $29.99. If you are all about this, it's available at Burlington. Go to Burlington. Okay, this is what we are talking about. It's like military top. I love this one. I can go with this one for $29.99. What size is this? This is size large. The sleeves will be very long on me. I prefer to get this in my exact size. It looks big. Okay, more sweaters, more jackets, crop jackets in size large. This one is $14.99. It's available in this color. This is $14.99 as well. Yeah, this is in size medium. Okay. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about in size large. Okay. Okay, another leather cropped jacket. This one is $29.99. Okay. Here we have this one for $19.99. Here we go for $19.99. Or denim sleeveless crop jacket for $17.99. All right, I'll end this video here. If you like what you're saying, consider subscribing, like, comment, share. Thank you so much, and until next time, bye for now.